So, hi everybody. I've been asked many times how to use an external symbol as a filter. I just want to give you a quick example how you would do that. After opening the building blocks, new building block strategy, you get this window. And then you go indicator compares to value or crosses or whatever you feel like. And then you see RSI, we just leave the parameter just as it is. And we pull over the same one, could be anyone, obviously. But for the simplicity's sake, then we just change this one to 10. Don't leave it like 20. Make this a bit more aggressive. And you'll see in a moment why, because we drag this over here. And we say we use the diamonds, DIA, as our filter. So this rule says if the stock or future whatever, if the RSI is below 30 on the RSI 20, and if the RSI 10 is below 30 on the diamonds, on the overall stocks, then we buy the stock. So both conditions have to be true. And we want to sell at the same thing, and we say if indicator crosses the value, so we drag this over, move a bit down, and we say RSI 20 crosses over, and here we have to change the number to 50 because I want it to go up, obviously. Now we want to verify if it's doing what we are planning to do. We quickly run it. You see the results are already there. Something is popping up here in a minute. Yep. I mean, you can look at the equity curve. You see the rare occasion where it actually bought was whenever the market was really down or coming down, just like here. It invested a lot. Anyway, let's see whether it did what we were planning to do. Let's go to positions. Let's take Apple. Apple is on top. A could be sorted by anything, date or whatever. When was the last chance we could buy Apple? Actually, it's not long ago. It's about 2 years ago. In 2018, you could have bought Apple at 37? At 37, let's take a look. Well, top is Apple. Apple, here we have the RSI of Apple. You see it's at 35, 32, 30, and now it is below 30. That's when we buy next day. And let's take a look at the diamonds here. The diamonds are actually already a long time. They were below 30, came up again, came down again. 1, 2, 3. So the overall market was down already for Apple crossed to low 30. What a call. I wanted to show you how to use an external symbol as a filter. Thanks for listening and hope you liked it.